All right, so today I've got a new app in front of me that is going to replace all your designers. Yes, this app called Flaxxa Studios, it is an attempt to replace your entire designing team, and I'm talking about your copywriter, your ad designer, if you've got one, your layout designer, the web designer that you've got, graphics designer, any kind of design that you want to do. This AI software can do it for you without having to hire a team, without having to pay a contractor, and enabling you to be a contractor yourself. So whether you've got a design requirement for your own business, or you're looking to get design contracts, design gigs from other producers, be it your local market or be it online, this software can replace your entire design team and make you a single-handed, single-person design team. So let's go in and take a look. All right, so I'm logged in. I created a project over here, and now I've got all these options on the sidebar. Take a look. You've got the image designer where you have creator, art creator, social post designer, photorealistic art creator, prompt to image. You've got t-shirt designs, logo maker. Let me just fix the mic here. All right, wildlife art, next gen image studio, lots of different things here. And then the AI design agent. You got coloring sheets, partner sketches, YouTube thumbnails, kids tales, lots of different options. Now on the sidebar, we have even more options. There is the Nano Banana creator from Gemini. I'm sure you've heard of it in the last few weeks. It's extremely popular. So they have Nano Banana, they have access to Nano Banana, and using it you can modify images the way you want. The design studio, I already showed you the options here. Then there is the AI creative studio. This is actually the AI design agent, which is mentioned as the AI creative studio over on the sidebar. They also have smart AI assistants that can do things like create AI faces, human style creator, image editor. Well, lots of interesting stuff. We will see all of this in a minute, or at least many of them. Then you've got consistent characters. I know everybody wants consistent characters. And there is the AI art creator. Well, that's the sidebar. So let's get in and check some of the features out. All right, the first thing we want to do is try the Nano Banana. This is of course the famous AI from Google. It can modify images with a very strong capability. It does a pretty realistic job. Let's see how Nano Banana works inside of Flaxxa. So you click on browse. I've got this nice image of leopard. I'll take it. Let me put it in a box like this. It automatically made a helpful prompt, as you can see. Click on generate image, and we're going to wait and see what happens. All right, so I got to my designs, and you can see there is my little leopard in a box. I think it's cute. Wow, this is kawaii, as we say it in Korea. Let me try to open it in new image. All right, so super puppets, Captain Leopard. Not bad at all. All right, let's carry on from here and go into design studio. This time we're going to try the art creator. Let's see what kind of art it produces. All right, here we are, and this is the art creator. We got to put in a prompt. So what do I want? I want to create a painting in the style of Picasso when he was 20. Yeah, did Picasso paint when he was 20? I'm sure he did. So in settings, you have some setups. I don't want to change anything here. I will take the fast output. That's okay. You've got two options in sizes, 1024 and 512, though I wish there was more, because I would love a portrait painting. Subject main idea, a lady standing by the sea waiting for her mate who went fishing. Yeah, men go fishing and they don't come back on time, right? So now the art is definitely oil painting. Mood is calm. Yes. Color palette, I would go for warm tones, not pastel. Lighting, natural sunlight, environment, nature, forest. I wish it was only nature. Perspective, composition, wide angle, special effects. I don't want any. So if you don't want the effect, you can just leave it. Click on generate image, and we will wait for a few seconds. So apparently this is a, okay. This is the painting that Picasso would do when he was 20, waiting for his mate. I think it's good, but I don't understand why there is text below it. So I guess you will need to do some cropping. Though I guess in that case it will not be 1024 by 1024. Alright, so this is how it is for this tool. Let's try another tool here, the sidebar, Social Post Designer. Find out how that works. So this one, enter prompt here. Let's go for create a happy man holding a phone talking to someone at the other end. This is what I want to do. I've got a product called Callsy, which I recently launched. Let's see what it can do for that. I want promote informative, platform, Facebook post, design style, modern, yes. Tone, casual, brand colors, I don't want to select any. Font preference, don't have any preference. Background, apps, solid, yes. Visual elements, let's keep illustrations. Headline, let an AI run your telemarketing. That's what I want the headline to be. Get Callsy, that's the CTA. CTA is call to action, and I want hashtags, okay, AI calling, and then you click on generate post. So apparently it's gonna create a complete post. Well, let's take a look. All right, so check this out. You've got my text here. There's a person. Get Callsy AI calling. So everything is on the image, and then of course you can use the image. So it's a 1024 by 1024 image, just as promised. Let's go back. You have one option for the size. Then you can create photorealistic images. Well, I can't show you all the tools, so I'm gonna try to skip a few. Let's go for photorealistic. Create a man hitting a football with his head. All right, then subject, main idea, sports event, well, sports photo. I gotta spell photo right. Art style, photorealistic, yes, of course, that's what we are in, photorealism. Mood, emotion, dramatic, lighting, studio lighting, color palette, vibrant, environment, indoor, camera, perspective, close up. Let's see. Here we have the image. I asked for the football to be hit by the head. Okay, and I see the second leg, one leg, two legs. But it is photorealistic. As you can see, I can see the muscles and the nerves. This guy is definitely built. Let's take a look at other features. Prompt to image, I think that's not really something exciting, but t-shirt design, yeah, that's cool. Let's check that out. T-shirt designs. The eagle, a bald eagle emblazoned. The words freedom. Can't go more basic than that. Design style, I would say vintage, retro, theme, animals, yes. T-shirt type, graphic tee, base shirt color, don't care. Placement, center front, and mood and tone, playful, artistic. Click on generate t-shirt. It's creating that image. All right, freedom, guys. I like this t-shirt. If I had it, I would wear it. So if you guys want to send a t-shirt to me, well, this is the one that I want. Pretty cool. Come back to this. Design Studio, logo maker. Yeah, everybody needs logos. I guess this is the last tool from this particular category. Make a fantastic logo for my company, Technic Force. Use only the characters T and F in the logo. Use colors gray and red. Well, my logo was made about 14 years ago by a Romanian designer. He did a great job. I'm still using it. It's very simple, just the way I wanted it. Let's see AI. Can AI do something better? So I want a minimalist design, icon based. Yep. Don't care about the font style. No need of this. No personality. Color preferences, I already put it in here. Click on generate logo. Let's see what happens. Check this out. This is the logo that AI did, and it looks a little bit like the logo that I actually have. Yeah, come on, check it out. This is my logo. This is what the AI built. I don't think it's too bad. It's pretty simple, but that's what I asked for. Now the next category we want to use, because I don't want to create all these images, we're going to check AI Creative Studio coloring sheets. I have never used a coloring book. I know people like it, somehow adults like it too, but I would rather be coding. Make a coloring book that is focused on the Rocky Mountains. Cartoon style, realistic line art, mandala. I will go for realistic line arts, easy. Let it be, just click on generate image. Let's see what we get here. Here we go, Rocky Mountain. You can color it if you want. Well, I feel like coloring it just because I see it. Now, what else do we have? Partner sketch. It's like partner sketch. What's a partner sketch? Is it like a sketch of your wife or girlfriend? Create artistic sketches of couples, friends, or partners. I'm gonna skip that because it's just a prompt. You can just tell it what kind of a couple you want to create. Then you got YouTube thumbnail, kids tale, graphics icon, pattern maker, scripted stories. So I think you can make a slide of story each time, right? So a hare challenges a tortoise to a race. They are near the beach. I want this to be on the beach this time. Genre, fairy tale, target audience, kids. I'm not gonna select the rest because I want to see results. Now let's pause. I might have made a mistake, or I don't know why, but I got a tree. This is what I got. It's a bit different than what I expected. This is the mountain with the trees. Okay. Next, I think we should try out a couple of the smart AI assistants. The first one says AI faces. Well, let's take a look at that. So this is generate realistic human faces, perfect avatars. I thought it would ask me for a prompt on what kind of face I want to create, but it says drag and drop your file. So I don't know what that means. Choose from library. There is nothing in the there is something in the library. So this is the library. Maybe if I choose this lady, enter prompt here. I want a young professional in the field of music. It's a DJ. All right. Gender, male, teen, adult, pose, standing. All right, so I will choose that. Here we go, generate image. Well, the good news is it did not definitely use that girl. Maybe the image is based on the girl. I guess this is it. All right, so next, I guess you can use it to build an avatar. Like, you can have this girl's image. Do they look similar? I'm not so sure. You can have the girl pose in different things. I think that's what it's supposed to do. Then you got human style creator. Let's see what that is about. Create a lifelike human character in various styles, ideal for storytelling. So yeah, I'm gonna pick a photograph from my computer this time. I will browse. Here we go. And I'm gonna pick up my photograph if I can find something. Yeah, this one's a really old classic. Choose style, realistic, lighting, natural, background, gradient, outfit, formal. The man is standing in a big boardroom addressing a board meeting. Let's try that out. We got multiple size aspects over here, 2x3, 1:1. Let's go for 2x3. Click on generate image. Let's see what happens. All right, so this is on 50% for like a few minutes, so I'll come back to it. Let's see after a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's get some other work started. So what about consistent characters? That sounds amazing. I would want to get consistent characters, 2D and 3D. Let's do that. All right, so 2D and 3D styles. Again, I need to put in my image. I'll put this one, anime, keep original. studio background, lighting, studio light, detail level, medium, output, fast. And you can put in a prompt. The man is staring at a car, at a Ferrari. Not that I'm a big fan of Ferraris. Hold on. Okay. Check it out. Check it out. I actually like this very much. This is, I think, looks like me. There's a Ferrari here. There's a guy. I think my T-shirt is pretty similar too. This is the good one. Now, how do I keep it consistent? If I want to create another character, will it create exactly like that? Well, that's a question we will find out later. Now this video is got pretty big, so I'm gonna cut it short, guys. I've demonstrated a lot of the product to you. I've shown you what it does. I've given you a pretty good indication, understanding of this. Then it also it's got some other features which are not connected to the image generation, like agency reseller program. So you can resell it. There is a Teams function, so you can invite your team members and get them to do the work for you. And you can organize your images in folders. So that's all the things that you can do with this. Now, this product, if you like it, of course, you got to get it. Now, I will give you a very good reason to get it from my link and use me as an affiliate, as a marketer, if you want to buy this. The reason is I will give you access to my great products. So if you go to technicforce.com, you can see I've got a bunch of amazing products in every category: social media, email marketing, content, PPC, lots of AI tools. I've launched a great number of fantastic AI tools this year and last year. So you can get access to all of my products, including the one that I launched recently called Callsy, right? And you can do it free. That's the amazing part, because I have this program called the TechnicForce Rewards program. So if you go to my website, technicforcerewards.com.in, this is where you can sign in and you can claim absolutely all of my products free of cost. You don't need to pay for them, because every time you make a purchase, that is every time you buy some product from me, including this one, including Flaxxa Studio, I give you rewards points, and you can redeem these reward points, get my products absolutely free of cost. So all of these products are available to you inside the rewards website. There is a little demo that shows you exactly how to use this. By the way, this product, the AI that's chatting on all of my websites, that's also a part of it. It's called PeopleBots, and you can get that too. So lots of great products for you, and all the good things that you need to create fantastic results in your online business. So make sure you get this product from me if you decide to buy it. On that note, this is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, signing off.